Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to open notification panel by swiping down in the home screen in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. If you swiping down in the home screen here, you can open notification panel. Okay, as of now nothing is opened when I swipe down here in the home screen. Okay, so if you'd like to set to open notification panel, go to the settings of our phone here, then go to lock screen and wallpaper and go to home settings and click on swipe downwards on home screen, and here select second option notification center. Okay, now swipe down here and notification center will open. Okay, swipe down in the home screen. Okay, yes, in this way you can easily enable notification panel to be opened when swiping down in the home screen on empty space in home screen in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.